Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Royal Kingdom. This will basically give you unlimited coins, hearts, potion in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as free booster, unlimited coins, hearts, potion, unlock everything and much more. The first thing you need to do is to grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once you are on your device, make sure you are already have Royal Kingdom installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. The next step is open your favorite browser and go to this website. In the search bar, type is the Royal Kingdom++, press install, and now wait to finish this process. After complete this loading, our Kingdom++ application is already installed in my mobile device. Thank you for watching.